2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is here, and it's redefining the mid-range cruiser segment with a perfect blend of classic charm and modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for a comfortable, stylish cruiser, the Meteor 3050 delivers an experience that's both engaging and effortless. With its retro-inspired aesthetics, refined engine, and smart tech features, this bike is more than just a ride, it's a statement on the road. Welcome to Drive Smart. If you love in-depth vehicle reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Meteor 350, a motorcycle that has captured the hearts of riders globally. Stick around as we break down its key features, performance, and what makes it stand out in its segment. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Meteor 350 retains its old-school cruiser DNA with a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and a relaxed riding stance. The ergonomics are spot on for long rides thanks to a well-padded seat and pulled-back handlebars. The LED lighting setup adds a touch of modernity while maintaining that classic Royal Enfield appeal. Plus, with multiple color options, riders can pick a look that matches their personality. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, the Meteor 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers a refined 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. It's designed for smooth power delivery, making city rides effortless and highway cruising enjoyable. The 5-speed gearbox is crisp and responsive, while the counterbalanced engine ensures minimal vibrations, something that Royal Enfield has seriously improved over the years. Now, let's talk about ride quality. The Meteor 350's twin down-tube frame offers great stability, and the telescopic front forks with twin rear shock absorbers provide a plush ride over rough terrain. Whether you're tackling urban potholes or cruising on open highways, this bike ensures a comfortable experience. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, paired with tubeless tires, give excellent grip and confidence in corners. Tech lovers, don't worry, Royal Enfield has got you covered. The Meteor 350 features the Tripper navigation system, a semi-digital instrument cluster that syncs with your smartphone for turn-by-turn navigation. It's a fantastic addition for riders who love exploring without worrying about getting lost. Dual-channel ABS comes standard, providing enhanced safety during sudden braking situations. So, who is this bike for? If you're someone who enjoys relaxed cruising with a touch of nostalgia, the Meteor 350 is a perfect companion. It's not about aggressive speed, it's about enjoying the journey with a machine that feels just right. What do you think about the 2025 Meteor 350? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next ride. Drive smart.